And even though I miss being outside, I miss all the stuff that we do, the thing that I miss the most is Stephanie, because she's just incredibly inspiring, and it's just not the same. And today is like the best day because it's the start of the next season. So she's great.
Off 20 pounds and I feel absolutely fantastic. I love working out with her. I think she just gives so much inspiration to keep going, keep working, and keep doing it, and she's a great boot camp instructor.
Stephanie is a phenomenal instructor. She does not ask anyone to do what she hasn't already done herself. She is inspiring, motivating, educated, and absolutely sincere, and we are lucky to have her on the team, and even luckier to call her our friend.